Yo, what's up, y'all? Today I wanted to chop it up with y'all about uh, the S&P 500. So ever since the pandemic, the S&P 500 has been going up all across the markets. When that pandemic hit, they all dipped. Like every chart you look at, everything dipped. It dipped so bad that they had to call in the plunge protection team. They did that because there's a certain amount that in which you can't let the market go down too much, because if you do that, then all of our investments in this country will be demolished. There'll be a lot of people asking questions, a lot of angry people, almost like Enron. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people got their money tied up into the market, stocks, bonds, treasuries, ETFs, you name it. And so you got this thing called the plunge protection team. This helped all the markets, prevented all the markets from going so low to the point to where it would really affect the economy and everyone's 401ks, their IRAs, their investment, all their investments, some even indirectly real estate and things of that nature. But since then, the S&P 500 has been going up consistently every month. Only maybe 2 bad weeks out of every now and then here and there. This has been the first time since a long time that the market took a real dip. But how the market works, especially when something is hot and something has an extreme utility and something is just like a freight train, is that when it does go down, it's almost as if you're pushing in a spring, and once you let that spring go, it just bounces out of this world. So right now, you know what they say, most of the wealthy people, they buy when everyone's scared to buy. So they buy right now while the economy has its foot on the spring of whatever stock or bond that in which you're looking into. And then once everything is clear, then bam, it's gonna bounce. So this is a perfect time to buy, even in crypto markets. And I believe this is all because of tariffs. But buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Because we all know that this is here to stay. Like the market, the stock market, the crypto market, it's here to stay. Look up since the pandemic in 2020. Look up what has been the best performing ETF and what has been the best performing asset. Just look it up, and you'll see it has something pertaining to cryptocurrency. So all I'm saying is these are some of the things that in which you may want to look into investing in. Obviously, I ain't no financial advisor, but put your money in there, park that money, let that money sit, let it grow, let it work for you. Because even the Tesla is one of those ones where obviously Mr. Musk is being harassed via the Democrats, because the Democrats are mad that if you didn't see that the presser where the Doge team via Donald Trump, they audited the spending of USAID, I believe that's what it's called, and all the money that they were spending, like our tax dollars. Like when you get paid and you look at all that money that they taking out your shit, this is what they spending the money on. And they showed millions of dollars being spent on dumb, stupid shit, or shit like it. Even if it ain't dumb, you look at America, look how most Americans doing. Look at most downtowns. Look at everything that's happening, and our people that we ride for, the Democrats, right? They taking like our money, our tax money, and giving it to other people, giving themselves bonuses, getting in early on stocks that no one know what the insider trading. They get in on all this shit. And now they mad at Musk for revealing it, because what's going to happen is if he reveals too much, a lot of people going to be in a lot of trouble, and then they can't live the type of lifestyle that in which they want to live. So A lot of people been scamming the system. So, but that Tesla stock is gonna go back up. Watch. I remember I was looking at one thing for them PPP loans, right? And they audited Doge, they audited those, and he found like it was a whole bunch, a buku amount of accounts with people who they got I'm talking about so much money in PPP loans. But guess how old they were? They were 6 months years old, 1 month years old. Like, come on, dog. So the Democrats there, this is why they burning all this shit. Really, they talking about it's because of that quote unquote Nazi thing that Elon did. But Elon is a genius. Elon is wealthy. He don't gotta do none of this shit. He really could just go into his lab and outperform everybody because he's like 50 years ahead of us. Anytime somebody got that kind of money, that kind of brain, and they deal with us lower thinking people, because he's thinking higher, he's on a higher thinking level, because he's not letting, he's just on a whole nother level. Anytime a person with that type of wealth, that type of mindset, that type of spirit, that type of energy is doing this kind of stuff, it's for a reason, right? And cats with money like that, dog, like, they just don't do that, man. The dude really cares. But the Democrats are like low-key bullying them and shit like that. So, but it's cool though, because if you wealthy, what wealthy people do, they buy when everybody else is scared. So they gonna buy that shit up. By the time everything blow over, or Elon's smart, he gonna figure something out. He gonna figure something out. By the time he figures something out, or they switch up how they move their marketing or whatever they get their resources from, it's gonna skyrocket. So that's another one to get into. You know what I mean? All the cryptos, XRP, TRX, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, like all these mugs, dog. Crypto.com, like all these is like one, and you get in these, you don't sell, you don't take it and try to parlay and spend it and trick it off, and now that's retirement. That's that's big money. Right now it seems like little money, but that's big money. So yeah, so got Tesla. Oh yeah, another one. Since Bitcoin is down, what's gonna be on sale is something called MicroStrategies by Michael Saylor. Right now it's probably at 323. I think it's gonna get down to maybe 2 something. Buy it, because it moves closely with Bitcoin, seeing as Michael Saylor has his company has so many coins, tokens of Bitcoin. So that's another one to get. That's a very volatile stock. It's even more volatile than Tesla. Tesla's volatile, and MicroStrategies, ticker symbol MSTR, is more volatile than Tesla. So like I say, you got SPY, you got SPX, you got XLK, you got XLY, you got Solana, Ethereum, which is SOL, XRP, ETH, you got TRX, Tron is a really good one. You got Doge. That's crazy, I don't even know the ticker symbol for Doge. But okay, and this is where we buy the dip at. And since these tariff wars is continuing to happen, we just keep buying and keep buying. Dollar cost averaging. You're not spending your rent money. You're spending the stupid money on the crypto. Stupid money, like when I say stupid money, it's like when you buy some, like you get some you buy some DoorDash. You could have went up there and you got your food yourself, or you could have bought some groceries and saved money on ordering Uber Eats or DoorDash. So that's that money. That money goes into when you go to the store and you just buy some miscellaneous thing that you had a craving for, or something or you buy some clothes that you ain't even gonna wear for a minute, like, or you just just spending stupid money. You know what I mean? So the stupid money goes, you gonna dollar cost average this. And when I say dollar cost average, that means on a consistent basis, you like, if the market goes up, down, and stays still, every 2 weeks you put $5. $5. This is the beautiful thing though, because there's not been a time where you could put $5 and an asset that has utility, that has proven track record, that all the wealthy people is getting into, and you kind of have an idea that this stuff is gonna be legit. There ain't never been no time in history like that where a lot of people, they going up and down these gas stations and they playing the slot machines, they going gambling. And I talked to some of these people, you know, and some people win like 500, bro. Like, you could go start you Coinbase, Uphold, get you a Phantom wallet, and you can just gamble and bet on. If you want to gamble and bet, at least gamble and bet on something that has utility, that has real world usage, and that's also educating you on how to use the new financial system that is about to be up on us. The new financial system is this. When is the last time you really just hold a lot of cash? Like, your bank is digital, everything is digital. So you're learning shit, you're learning how to manage your money, how to bet, how to leverage. Just imagine if I told the average person that goes to that gas station that, hey man, I got something where you can take that $10 that you're using and you can use it like it's $100. You can take that $10 and you can use it like it's $50. And you ain't got no one gonna be watching over your head. You ain't gotta worry about blah. You ain't gotta worry about nobody trying to take your seat. You know, you ain't gotta worry about nobody watching you trying to rob you. You ain't gotta worry about the person that owns the gas station cheating you, not wanting to pay you, accusing you of cheating, because it's all unanimous. It's all decentralized, and that's the whole thing with this cryptocurrency thing. Everything is decentralized, and with the help of AI, it makes everything more simple and more easy and more efficient. And it's like some people. That's why you got some people, they like it, and then some people they don't like it, because the people that who are innovative and who wants to manage everything themselves, they like it. The people that want to be a part of the collective in reference to like just having somebody, they don't like it because it's more work for them. So, but this is the new technology. So like the people that go to them gas stations, shoot man, how much times I see these people on there, if they just put $50 in or $10 or however much they spend on those slot machines in Solana, XR, all the ones I just said, literally they be in profit a lot, like way more, like at least 2 or 3x. And it's like it's a mindset. So like, you know, like I say, dollar cost average. I told you the ones that I think is like legit, and it's everyone's talking about it, man. Like all the head honchos, the big guys. This is the new system. This is part of the new system, and it's only gonna get faster and faster, and it's only gonna get stronger and stronger. All you, me, we gotta do is just sit, relax, let our money sit, let it parlay, let it grow, let it work. And dollar cost average, don't spend it, don't think about it. Find something that you are very confident in, and like just let that shit ride.